Hey, what is going on everybody? My name is Aaron and today I'm going to be showing you how to get IObit Uninstaller and IObit Driver Booster for free today. It's pretty easy, and what I like about these softwares is Uninstaller basically removes everything from your computer, all the files and leftovers that when you normally uninstall, they don't even tell you and they just keep it, and an Uninstaller just gets everything gone. And Driver Booster keeps everything up to date so your frames per second will be as high as you could possibly get when you're gaming. Go ahead and download both of these as I've shown, and I'm going to run both of these installers at the same time. Once you're installing, it is going to prompt you if you would like to install all these additional softwares. Go ahead and uncheck no. Don't get none of that crap on your computer, you know. Of course, you just want the main software itself is all you're asking for. No junk or nothing else, you know. So go ahead and run both of these installers as I'm doing right now. If you need help with which settings to tick, go ahead, just follow my lead. And I'm gonna wait for these both to install. Alrighty guys, these have both finished on my computer, and basically how easy is this? You don't even have to download nothing. Just go to YouTube and type in IObit Uninstaller or Driver Booster key and look at these videos. They look sketchy at first. They have keys. Read the descriptions, read which ones have more views, read which ones are more recent. Just put all of those factors at the top and read the comment section. You know, they're gonna say they work. Go ahead and copy the keys. So on this one, as you can see, there's a couple keys here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just paste this one in. And as you can see, there's a license and it works, and that's Driver Booster. And you're gonna do the exact same thing for Uninstaller, and you know this always works. I'm gonna have a couple keys in the comments section, so check out the comment section of this video, and periodically throughout time I'm going to try to keep adding more keys that are more updated, you know, different versions, latest updates, you know, timing, things like that. It's just hard to show one key right now, and for it to work in the future, most likely it won't. We got to just keep you updated throughout this whole time. So yeah, this is all you got to do. You know, just go to YouTube and search it up. Pretty easy. If it looks sketchy, you know, this is what I do, how I always works for me every time all these years. But yeah, this is how it's activated. Anyways guys, hope you have a great day. Peace out.